Welcome back to Auto Buzz TV, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive news and reviews. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Audi Q9, a luxury SUV that promises to redefine the segment with its cutting-edge technology, stunning design, and impressive performance. The 2025 Audi Q9 is set to make waves in the automotive world. With its bold and aggressive stance, the Q9 showcases Audi's signature design language, featuring a striking front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted body that exudes sophistication. This SUV is not just about looks, it's built on Audi's latest platform, which enhances its agility and driving dynamics. Under the hood, the Q9 offers a range of powerful engine options. The base model features a turbocharged inline-six engine, delivering a robust performance that ensures a thrilling driving experience. For those seeking even more power, Audi will offer a high-performance V8 variant, perfect for enthusiasts who crave speed and responsiveness. Coupled with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, the Q9 promises exceptional handling and stability, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road adventures. Inside, the 2025 Audi Q9 is a sanctuary of luxury and technology. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials, including leather upholstery and wood accents, creating an inviting atmosphere. Audi's MMI infotainment system takes center stage, featuring a large touchscreen display that seamlessly integrates navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. With support for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, staying connected on the go has never been easier. One of the standout features of the Q9 is its spacious interior. With 3 rows of seating, it comfortably accommodates up to 7 passengers, making it an ideal choice for families or those who enjoy road trips with friends. The second and third rows can be easily folded down to create a generous cargo space, ensuring you have room for all your gear. Safety is a top priority for Audi, and the Q9 is equipped with an array of advanced safety features. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, the Q9 is designed to keep you and your passengers safe on every journey. Additionally, the SUV will offer a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies, providing peace of mind whether you're commuting or embarking on a long drive. As we look ahead to its release, the 2025 Audi Q9 is generating excitement among automotive enthusiasts and potential buyers alike. With its blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, it's poised to become a leader in the SUV market. So, what do you think about the 2025 Audi Q9? Are you excited to see it on the roads? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Auto Buzz TV for more updates on the latest cars and automotive news. Thanks for watching.